Hey everyone! Fixing a restricted account in the World app, formerly Worldcoin, usually requires a direct conversation with their support team to verify your identity and resolve any security triggers. Here is the specific process to get your account back in good standing. Step 1. Accessing Settings. We're starting on the World app home screen. This is the page where you usually see your World ID or your current balance. We do this to leave the general user interface and enter the administrative backend of your personal account. Look to the very top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This icon is the entrance to your account's control room. Since restrictions are often tied to security flags or identity mismatches, you must be within your authenticated settings to prove you are the account owner before support will talk to you. Step 2. Selecting Support. Now that you are in the Settings menu, we are looking for the Support option. This acts as a bridge between the app's automated tools and their actual customer service department. Scroll through the list past the Account and Privacy sections until you find Support. Tap it. Once you tap this, you aren't in a chat yet. You are on a Help Center page filled with articles. In 2026, World App uses this as a filter to answer common questions. Because your account is restricted, these articles won't help you. You need a person, which requires one more navigation step. Step 3. Opening World App Support. We are finishing by tapping the Support icon in the top right corner of the Support screen. This is the most critical tap because it transitions you from reading articles to opening an active support ticket. Look at the top right of the screen again. You will see a small chat bubble or a new ticket symbol. Tap it. This opens the World App Support portal. You will likely be met by a bot first. To resolve a restriction, you must provide your account details and a clear explanation, such as, "My account shows as restricted, but I have already verified my identity at an orb." By opening this specific window, you create a log of your request. An agent will review your device ID and biometric status to ensure there isn't a duplicate account, which is the #1 reason for restrictions. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.